Hello guys, good morning, and I hope that my voice loud enough for you two guys to hear, because the previous video there is some problem with the audio input, and I hope this already fixed. So, and what I want to say in this video is I want to make a coding tutorials for very beginners, and for those who have completely zero coding knowledge or programming in general. So we will start very small, learning variable and function, and at the end of that simple tutorial, we will make this digital number. So I run this project, and you will make this one number here change from 0 to 9, and then it's repeat. And for me, I think that this will really benefit beginners, because if you want to do complex stuff, you need to start with the very basics. So what you guys opinion on this one?